The Beehive Huts harken back to an ancient people over 2,000 years ago or earlier. Made of piled up stones, they have remained all of this time as a testament to the quality of construction that was in place during that period of time. The builders of these beehive houses didn't use any mortar. Instead, they meticulously stacked rings of stone, one on top of the other, positioning each layer a little further inward until a snug, pointed roof was formed to cap the structure. This corbelling method is part of the reason why the huts are so difficult to date, as it doesn't belong to any one time period and has been used in Ireland for thousands of years. These beehive houses, or cloichen, are all over County Kerry, including at the spectacular Skellig Michael, where some of Star Wars Episode 8 was filmed. But this particular group is said to be the most remarkable in the country. The exact ages of the houses is uncertain, and different theories date them anywhere from the 8th to 12th centuries AD. It's likely hermit monks and followers of St. Peter once lived in them, though pagans may have also called some of the cones. Look at this cute sheep. There are lots of sheep in Ireland, and that's why they are marked with color, to help their owners identify them. Besides identification reasons, the breeding season is another time of the year where markings are used. The sheep are a hardy animal and can live in almost any terrain. The Irish weather and mountainous landscape suit these ovine breeds. It's likely hermit monks and followers of St. Peter once lived in these beehive houses, though pagans may have also called some of the cone-shaped structures home even earlier. At one point in history, more than 400 of these intriguing abodes dotted the hillside. Though many have vanished over time, a significant number still stand. You can walk right up to, and sometimes even into, the houses to admire the stonework that has let these cloichen weather centuries of wind, rain, and curious sheep. There's a thick stone enclosure surrounding the buildings. This is not uncommon, since many buildings, what we're looking at here, was likely used as a well or maybe a storage area. This is not uncommon since many buildings feature ring forts meant to protect the inhabitants from the foe's raids. The ring forts also serve to protect the livestock brought in at night. People can see inside other circular fort walls in the area the many remains of beehive huts. Some of them are still whole, while others are in ruins. What keeps some standing is their use as shelters by sheep or as sheds. This site is where a large building containing 3 beehive huts, joined by doorways together, can be found. This structure is one of the more impressive in Dingle. People exploring the building will see alcoves in the lower inside walls, a fire pit, and a structure that could have been used as a basin or a shallow well. That's what we saw earlier. It is speculated that this building was the home of a renowned family in the settlement.